Hello people, just give me 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. Why my title has not changed? I updated. It's just updated. Bro. It should change. It should change. I updated it over here. Okay, let's refresh. Yeah, that's me. Yes. Okay, let's start. Where is our market? 104, same, nothing much different, nothing much difference. That's nice. Okay, so hello ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the brand new live stream of the CheezyBit, ZBit and ZBit X. We are going live on 3 different platforms. Okay, so CheezyBit is an original one where we started the whole journey of for all those people, which I want to tell you as well. If you don't know anything regarding the trading, nothing. You don't know anything, what is this charts and blah 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 blah. You don't know anything regarding it. Trust me, you have actually landed on the most simplest and the most easiest platform where you can know from the scratch, from the zero, you can start your trading journey and then you can move forward. And right now we are in the advanced level where we are doing the live trading, where we are discussing some strategies as well. I basically use SMC, that is smart money concept strategy, where we track the big whales people, where are they moving, how are they moving, and when they enter in the market, so that at that time we can also enter and then we can have a good amount of profit from it. Okay, other than that, if you are a very new person, trust me, handsome pretty little baby, hello Rajlashan Namalai, thank you so much for joining this live stream and being a part of this stream. Thank you so much, really appreciate it much. Okay, yeah, thank you so much for joining this live stream, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel once you have landed, because see, we have put ourselves goal. Okay, you might have known us, few people who have coming to this platform a long time, because I can see mostly whenever I am coming live there are 50, 60, 70 people there on the live stream, and I get it, as I'm really appreciating that you all are coming to watch my live stream and every of those things. But I have one request from all of you people. I don't want to be a very small community. I have put myself a goal that, see, it's a very easy thing to understand about the trading about the market, about understanding the where it is going to land, how it's going to land, and every of those things. It's very easy. It's just like the barrier becomes the technical words which you have to understand. Okay, it's very easy. Like this middle part where there are a lot of technical words. Muskan, hello, hi Muskan, hello Nami, hola, hello everybody. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. It means a lot. It means a lot. Thank you so much. So it's just the technical stuff which is like getting in between you and the trading skills, from which you can enhance a very good, generate a very good source of income. Like this is the one of the best passive income, effortless, and you don't even require that good amount of knowledge. Okay, I am not asking you to become a scientist or analyst or something, right? I'm just telling you to get to know some facts of the market, because see, at the end, even like if I give you example, okay, if there is one person who is a random, he has a very basic knowledge, and there is one person who has extreme knowledge regarding the market, they both are very same. I will tell you why. Because for both of them, they are always confused what is going to happen next, because that's what market does. Market is a very unpredictable place for all of us. We can never guess what is going to come next. What kind of quantity can come to the next movement, what kind of crash we can have, what kind of upward movement we can have. We can never guess what we can have in the next movement. So even if you are having the maximum knowledge, like overall knowledge, and even if you are having the 10 to 20% of knowledge, you will be facing the same thing. Meme coin, good evening, man. Thank you so much. Meme coin. It's good afternoon, by the way. Maybe it's for you, it's good evening. Because in Dubai, it's 120. Yeah, 120. In Dubai, it's 120. Maybe. Now, bro, even in India, it's evening. It's not evening, it's afternoon. I guess evening starts after 5 to 6, I guess. Yeah. So, good afternoon, meme coin. And like I was telling you, so please make sure that we have put ourselves a goal that to make each and every person a financially freedom, because that's what we need in right now time era. We don't require the salaried job. Trust me, we don't. We are done with it. We just want to like quit the day we get it. Like we get that kind of like a lottery kind of thing, or like some empty bag we can find on the road, like with a crore amount of money. Trust me, I'm gonna leave the job that moment itself. But am I getting it? No. But there is a way. Rather than getting the whole 1 crore at a one moment, but you can have one passive source of income, which can maybe there is a possibility is I'll say 70-30. 70 why? Because that depends on your investment. If your investment is good, your understanding of the market is good, trust me, earning 1 crore from the cryptocurrency is not a big deal. It's not at all a big deal. Why? Because there is a volatility in the market that much, which can give you a heavy amount of profits. Okay, now what is volatility? Volatility is a very basic, simple stuff like the amount the price is moving upwards and downwards. Like the price shift. Like sometime we see in the market was at $112K. Right now it is 104. So the movement, the price shifting movement is heavy in the market of the crypto, which can be advantage and disadvantage at the same time. If you are a person, rather than doing intraday trading, if you are a person who wants to do a long-term trades, you are that kind of person that who wants to invest in the market for a long term. Like you just want to buy it today and forget it about it for 4 to 5 years, and after 4 to 5 years, you want to check what kind of profit I am having. In that scenario, sometime the timing matters. I will tell you, the timing matters. Like for example, let's take an example of Jan 2025. Okay, so before that, if people would have started like, let's go 1 year back of the like all-time high was 109. Yeah, 109. Jan was 109 all-time high. Just imagine 1 year back if some person bought it at, let's say 80s 90s was roaming around that time. Okay, so in that time he has bought it and he's feeling very happy that 1 year has passed and I am at 109, and suddenly boom, due to this tariff attack and everything, the market came to $73K. Obviously he's having a loss over there, but I will give you one advice. The market which has a heavy volatility, do not try to have a holding in it in a very extreme price. Like if you want to buy right now, like the crypto that is 104, it is right now. And if you want to buy it and you want to hold it, trust me, that's not a good thing. At least go for like, let the market come down, and market comes down. You know, there are the three fundamental movements which happens in the market: up, down, side. So it is gonna happen. That is for very, very sure. Like I have told you, same scenario happened in the Jan. It made an all-time high. After that, for a while, it gave us a major swings in the market. After that, we have seen the market has fallen down to 73. वाह किती सुंदर दिसते तू आज मित्र. Thank you. Thank you sir Vishnu. Thank you. I'm looking pretty. Birthday है क्या भाई? No, it's my father's birthday by the way. Yeah. Today is my father's birthday and he is not alive. So happy birthday. But it's fine. I'm missing my father, but it's fine. We had a very that kind of a relationship. It's like he was a police guy, so there is not that much of like connection. He used to look me like I'm a thief or something like this. I hate the police mentality. Like police mentality is that kind of mentality where like if you are a police guy, you will look except you, everybody is wrong. You have that one catchy thing like something is wrong here as well. This is a case. This is a second case. This is a 302 dhara. This is a 712. Those kind of thoughts comes in there. So we never had a very like that kind of relationship. But even though like we had a very crazy ritual, I don't know why, but we never hugged. Like as an Indian thing, you can understand this thing. Like before, people they didn't had, like nowadays people are getting more openness and that is coming. But before that, we never used to hug, kiss, and blah blah to our parents and blah blah. So it's just this day, this 1st of the June, where me and my father used to hug. That's the whole year. That's the only time, because the rest of the year I never made him proud of something, so he can like, oh my god, my son. But now that I'm making him, now he is not there. It's so unfair, such an unfair. Cheating करता है तू. So, like I was telling you all regarding all people that the market is a very volatile place. So if you want to do a holding for the crypto market, I will suggest don't do for Bitcoin. Even though the Bitcoin is the most stable coin, but see, right now if you do holding at 104, maybe after 5 to 6 years, maybe not 5 to 6 years, maybe after 5 to 6 months or 7 months, we see that again the market is at $60 or $70 range. Even though it will go back again, but that greediness inside us, which can trigger us to calculate your risk management, which will say like it can go more down. This may be the crash of the Bitcoin, this may be crash of this, crash of that, and blah 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 blah. So in that scenario, we don't want to get stuck. So if some coin is heavily priced, please wait for it to go at least 20 to 30% down to give a holding. Until and unless, don't do holding. Have an intraday trading, trade every day in it, have your profit, because see, volatile market advises you to do intraday trading. Not the long-term trading, but the intraday trading. Why? Because in a whole day, the market can come up and drop so much that we can have profit at each and every point. Okay? Cool. So other than this, I would like to also tell you that please check out all of those cheesy bit videos, cheesy bit content which I have given for you. This is a whole roadmap for all of you people. Okay? Like from understanding the candles, because we get a very limited data to understand the market. We get what? The market cap we get, and inside the trading we only get the candles, we only get the chart patterns, which is a compile of the candles, and then with the help of indicator we can find out few things. Like from the smart money, if you know how to find the fair value gap, that is a good thing. If you don't know how to find a fair value gap, then you can use an indicator. I use 2 indicators, which is very helpful for me and which I need because I trade with a strategy of smart money concept. It requires me to analyze few stuff. There is first, where is the market trying to grab the liquidity? Because I don't want to get trapped with those liquidity, because most of the time what happens is wherever you have put your stop loss, trust me, the market will just go that much down just to hit your stop loss, because at the end the market has to earn money. market has to earn profit, which is your loss basically. Okay, so for market to get profit by hook or by crook, that actually the market doesn't want to go down. It goes down just to grab money. That's all it goes down for. So I don't like to get in trap with this thing, which is not a usual thing, because most of the time you might have seen, like for example, I will tell ki you have taken an buy entry and below 1% or 2% you have given a stop loss. The market will fall down for 3% and then again go up 7 to 8%. So what happened here? The market just came down to grab just your liquidity. Just liquidity is basically a stop loss. Wherever your stop loss is, that is liquidity. Okay, cool. So that's why I use one indicator. I will share my indicators with you. This is the first indicator I use. This is inducement stop loss. Yeah, TFO. See, you can see this. One second. Let me just change the setting and. Arey yaar. Let me just change the setting. I don't want input lines. Hello, Pinky. Pinky. Why is it pink? I'm very curious. Whenever you come to the live stream, I always have this one thought. Why your name is Pinky? Even your handshake, you are showing that your hand itself is pinky. Is everything pink? I want to know. Is everything pink? Like everything, I mean, yes, that as well. Okay, we do dot to solid. Good. So whenever the market is grabbing a liquidity, it will show you by the sign of the lines. This is the line which the market will show you that this is the line, and you can clearly see the market tries to go more little down, because even like, see, even if we make some strategies, like some people say like the low is gonna be broken to grab the liquidity, the extreme low. But the market goes more little down because he knows a little below that might be more stop losses. So these are those reasons the market goes a little more down just to grab the stop losses. Okay. And the other one is smart money concept, which I don't use that much. I use only for the fair value gaps. Okay. Because you can see too many stuff, which can give you an understanding of the market completely. Where the market is changing its character, where it's changing from the uptrend to downtrend, where is a breakout structure, where is an equal high, and all those stuff are just like supply box or the demand box. After that, whenever there is equal high, equal lows, we can see a major shift from the downside or major shift from the upside. Got it? So smart money concept also I love. It will tell me regarding everything. See, CHOCH. CHOCH means change of character. When a one downtrend is changing into an uptrend, it will notify me by doing this that line or something like this. Okay. And breakoffs, equal lows, equal highs is basically like that has become a strong resistance for us, where the market is not trying to go that much up and the market is not trying to go that much below. It has become like mostly it happens when the market is trying to make a demand box. Demand box is basically, you can consider it like a spring. Like a spring works, the more that box becomes small or the more the coil we have, if we press that coil, it shoots up a lot. The demand box works the same. Whenever we are seeing, like right now, you can clearly see a very good downward movement we had. Okay. So this is a box which was created. The constant zigzag and straight down. This is called as supply box, which is always have an equal high and equal lows. Okay. If you want to understand regarding this, you like which is a supply box, which is a demand box and every of those things. Understand this one very specific thing, that it might have an equal highs and equal lows. Okay, simple. And the other thing, this acts as like the red line will tell you regarding the supply zones, which I usually draw because I don't trust indicator that much. Okay, I prefer to use my own mentality than the indicators mentality. But even though you use indicator, that is totally fine. But not all the time it might be correct. Okay, Just have that one thought in your mind that not all the time it might be correct. This demand is coming from here. Okay, so right now we are, as per the indicator, we are actually at the demand zone. Demand will be in the blue color, supply zone will be in the red color. Got it? Cool. Other than that, it also tells you regarding a strong high. Strong high is basically the meaning that from that point the market has not fallen for 1%, 2%, has fallen for more. A strong resistance is there. And also the same weak low. Weak low means this is not a great support the market can take. It's a weak support over here. So there are chances as well the market can fall down from here. That is the representation of weak low. Breakout structure, like I told you again, like if the market is making an higher high, higher lows, and then you can see like this was the low and that low has been broken. So that is called as break of structure. Change of character, in here as well we see change of character. Very slow upward movement it was having, sudden fall, character has changed. Major swings also it shows, but right now it is not showing, so it's fine. So these are the two indicators which I use, which I really like, because I really believe that the most logical way of understanding the market is a smart money concept. Trust me, those big players are having a lot of worth, and I have told you so many times as well, and I will repeat it once again, that the candle being a big, it doesn't mean that the volume there is big. That is the knowledge given to you to fool you. A big candle represents a big investment which we cannot do, which we don't have, because that amount of changes in the market if you have to make. Ramisha Ghosh Sundar, thanks. Thank you so much. Yeah, I was speaking something and I forgot it. 1 second. What I was thinking. I was thinking something. What I was saying. Yeah, these are those indicators which I use, because I really believe the smart money is the most logical way of understanding the market. Okay, and we are, if you like believe it, don't believe it, we are in a world where money is very important. Money can do everything. Without money, we cannot survive. You want to buy the brush, you need money. You want to buy gold brush, you need money. Anything requires money. From the luxury stuff to the basic stuff requires money. Not all the people, like as the social media has grown this much, and now we are like, before that we were not able to. This guy is glowing like a girl today. Thanks. Thanks. But a matter of fact, which I should not tell, it's just fine. I haven't. No, it's fine. I should not say. Yeah, glowing. Yeah, I can see, bro. I can actually see like this is glowing, and I'm happy. I take care of my skin, I take care of my face, I take care of this stuff, because I have put myself a goal, bro. Like for you people, you might be having like getting rich and everything. My goal is to be on the big screen, where I belong, where I should be. Right now, I am at a small screen. Totally fine. It's a little steps I'm taking every day. At least I'm not on the screen. I am on the screen, even if it's a small one. I'm trying to gain experience, trying to like learn a lot of things, and then I will shoot up. I'll shoot up, bro. And when I fall, I won't fall like anybody. I'll fall like a shooting star. Whenever I fall, people will look at me and make a wish. Yeah. So, like I was telling you all people regarding that, everything is surrounded with the money right now. So yes, we all have, like, even though people will say like there is no requirement and blah blah. If people are saying there is no requirement, then they already have it. If they don't have it, they will have it. Okay, so for you, trading is one of the best way to earn the passive income. Do you have to invest your 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours? No. Go to job, have a free time. In that free time, learn regarding the market. Understand the movement of the market, understand the candle psychology, understand the chart pattern psychology, and main thing, understand how bitch a market is, which will give you a reality check of your movements. Because see, what happens is, like, if there is a very basic guy and there is then an scientist guy. A basic guy will say 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Scientist guy will say 1 plus 1 equals to 3. He will say, I have a book knowledge. In the book it says 1, 1, it becomes 2. But that's what we said. In a scientist guy, he will apply a lot of theorems, lot of formulas and blah blah thing. And he will say, see, 1 plus 1 equals to 3. He is also right. He just manipulated his answer with a lot of theories, formulas and blah blah thing. And this was a basic simple knowledge from the book. The same way market is. The market has two things. One is a basic simple knowledge which also applies. And one is that with a lot of theories, with the manipulation, with the formula which market does, that also applies over here. So we never know which is the normal time and which is a manipulation time. So for that you need to understand regarding the reality of the market, the psychology behind the candles, because candles helps a lot. Candle helps you a lot, because even though, like, where is this, like, smart money concept came from? Smart money concept came from the ideology of this candle itself. The big candle means big investment. A big candle is formed when a big people invest big thing. So that is the main thing. Like, the whole smart money concept is made of candles. The change of character, the break of structure, which we can know regarding, it is made of this thing only. Okay. Cool. Let's just analyze our market a bit. Let me just hide both of the indicator for a minute, and let's just go on 1 hour time frame. What do we see in 1 hour time frame? What were we left on yesterday? See, like I told you, an overall a downtrend we can see. Overall downtrend. This was the all-time high the market has created over here. From that time, first dropped, we had that inverse head and this is not inverse. This is head and shoulder pattern. Inverse head and shoulder, not inverse. Bro, what kind of pattern is this? Okay, this is shoulder, this is head, this is shoulder. Okay, it is a head and shoulder pattern. From there, the market should have fallen down. This was an early signal. Head and shoulder pattern was an early signal that the market is going to fall down. From there, it went up and then it fall down. This chart pattern going wrong means one and very simple thing, that the manipulation of the market has happened. If it has to, like, see, double bottom pattern, you buy at the neckline and you go up. Double top pattern, you buy, you sell at the neckline and it goes down. Okay, this is the bookish knowledge which also happens and which should happen naturally. But naturally we see like it will go up and suddenly it will fall. This is an abnormal move done by the market itself with the help of the big player, because big player of the market are the friends. How? Market gets help from the big player with a big investment, and big player gets the help from the market by having its black to the white. Simple. Okay. So overall, yes, we can clearly see an overall downtrend of the market we can have. And if we just see the recent stuff, recently we have right now a big red candle has formed, and it is gonna take the whole, like, it will be expected to fall below this level, so that here the liquidity grab will happen. Most of the people might have taken this as a support, this as a stop loss, or maybe this. So these are the two levels where the market can fall down to, where we can have a profit, because this is the place where market will come to grab this stop loss. If I just make a line, okay, stop and I have given you. First was this. It was not again. Okay. So market will eventually come down to this point to grab the liquidity from the people. Okay. And right now we can clearly see that a very heavy selling has happened in the recent 1 hour time. This is our major demand over here. The major demand which is here. Let me just mark it. Okay. Yeah. This is our major demand point and this is our major selling. Like see, it happened here, it happened here. It tried fair value gap. Can we see any fair value gap? There is no fair value gap till now. But according to this, yeah, this one is a very big fair value gap. This is a very good fair value gap we can see over here, and if I just go on a 5-minute time frame, we can see from that fair value gap the market is again trying to go up. This is a very huge fair value gap which has been created somewhere over here according to 1 hour. This is 1 hour fair value gap, and you can clearly see the market came down, touched the fair value gap, went up, market came down, touched the fair value gap, went up, and right now the market has the market has crossed this thing, but again it is trying to come up. So this is one good fair value gap, 1 hour fair value gap which has been created in the market. If you don't believe me, I will just put an indicator to show you that yes, it is a fair value gap. And I have already told you so many times how to create a fair value. I have to delete one indicator. See, a fair value gap has been created, and there is a 2 fair value gap, one for the right side from where the market is trying to go down, and one for the green side where the market is trying to go up. 2 different scenario, 2 different fair value gaps, 2 different meanings, 2 different movements for us to handle. La 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 la, Georgia. Okay, so in 1 hour time frame, we can clearly see that the fair value gap of 1 hour has been respected a lot in a very great way. It is respected 1 time, 2 time, because in the lower time frame right now it is like right now it went till here, but we can clearly see that the fair value gap in the lower time frame is working and it is going for the green direction right now. So we should not forget this. Let's just mark a 1 hour fair value gap. Okay, it goes up till here. Actually, yeah, it goes up till here. This is our 1 hour fair value gap. Fair value gap you have to identify is basically same thing. The distance between the first candle's edge to the third candle's low. If there is a big gap between it, that is your fair value gap. Okay, cool. So in 1 hour, we can see our fair value gap is being respected very nicely. Okay, that is a one thing. Other thing, where did my fair value gap go? There is fixed date. Major supply zone will be this point. Major supply zone from where the market is trying to fall a lot. It will be at 105. A very big down movement we have seen. This is the top one, but even here you can clearly see the size of that candle. Size of that candle is huge. Let's just draw our demand zone over here. This is my supply zone. My demand zone, I don't have a demand zone in a right now position. I am not having a demand zone, but I am having a fair value gap which can work as well. but let's see. It doesn't have to work. Like one time it worked, was not that great, again it came down. So fair value gap, like we can clearly see one very specific thing, that yes, the buyer's strength, the buyer's mentality is going slowly, because see, and nothing can be constant in the life. From like this past month, we had a very strong constant buying pressure. Now that pressure we can clearly see slowly, because see, people's money is losing. Okay, people's money is gone. Like once you invest, that is gone. You cannot generate the money all the time. Okay. Here 4 hour. Even in 4 hour, you can clearly see that fair value gap in 1 hour is the sub demand. Like there is a very big candle, there is a small candle, it is acting like a demand over here. Okay, not that much of changes, same constant fall down, constant fall down, constant fall down. This was the there is no chance of market to take support now. It's just gonna be as like a selling. Even in the fib retracement, we can see I connected with the top and I connected with the most lowest point of that top, and we can clearly see that market has crossed. It didn't even take a little support at 0.6, 0.5 or 0.3. This is considered to be 0.6, 0.5, 0.3 considered to be golden ratios. Okay, and in that you can clearly see how easily those ratios were broken. It took a support at 0.2, but I don't think so it will hold that much of a support. A downtrend needs a retracement, same like it happened over here. The market came down, took a little support, went up little, went up, came down. So this is the whole thing happening. A downtrend which is having this retracements, small retracements, which may look in a lower time frame as an uptrend, but you can clearly see that the market is falling down. That's it. If I go for 1 day, in 1 day it may look like, I'm not sure about it, but I am thinking that it is kind of looking like, see, this is a shoulder, this is a head. Maybe from here the market will try to make another shoulder, and from the neckline, like I told you, there is no support over here, there is no demand over here, it's just a complete gap. So from that gap, maybe if it doesn't have that good of a buying pressure, buying strength, it will fall completely, and it will continue to fall continuously, because you can clearly see, one, it may have a demand over here at 95, 97 range, but between that you can see, but between that, this is the one demand zone. Like I told you, a demand box is here at 104, where the market is right now. After that, I really believe, after that I really believe that there is no support over here. If the market falls from this scenario area, if the market falls from this point, there are high chances the market will continue to fall toward 94, 95, 96. This is the same thing I told you yesterday. Like this is what it looks like. Maybe the market will try to go up to the point of, let's say, 106 again to create another shoulder. After that, maybe we can see a clear fall down of the market till 895, 96, 97. That's a daily analysis. A shoulder and head is already created. Maybe we are in this verge of creating another shoulder as well. Okay, cool. Let's go for 4 hours. Daily time frame, I can see a head and shoulder pattern, okay, in daily time frame. And in 4-hour time frame, we can see the double top pattern. One top, second top, two top. It doesn't have to be equal, okay. There is no such thing like double top has to be equal. Sometimes it is fine. So double top pattern we can see from the neckline. See, all the points are telling us that this is the point where the market can make a movement, because this is a 4-hour demand. I will show you a 4-hour demand. Okay, see, this is the 4-hour demand where our market has right now taken a support and went up, but there are high chances that it will come down again. This is our 4-hour demand zone. Okay, 4-hour demand zone which made an all-time high. 4-hour demand zone. I will just write it there and I will make it as a demand zone. We will see what happens to this demand zone. It's a very big one, but still it's a 4-hour demand zone. Okay, which has been respected by the market very nicely. It came down, went up, came down again, and from exactly that point the market has went up. So that's why again the market is trying to retrace himself. Maybe we will see a shoot up over here on the day time frame. Let me just go back to the day time frame. Maybe this is that exactly point where the market, this is the exactly that point even in the day time frame. It's the same. Even the day time frame, that is considered to be the great supply zone. Okay, so maybe the market will take a supply demand from here and make a shoulder, and then we can have a fall, because a fall is expected. Every analyst is expecting one fall, because fall is necessary for a greater strength of the buyers. If we don't have a greater strength of the buyer, then the market will try to just be in the same place. The market needs to go down to grab liquidity, grab the investment from the people, and then shoot up. That's the thing market needs to do right now. Okay, so that's the 4-hour demand zone. 4-hour demand zone. Just make it a little small. This is a 4-hour demand zone. The market has taken one support already, one demand already, a very big candle. After that, it is again trying to come. Maybe the second lot of the limit order might also get hit. Okay, let's see. In 45 minute. Yes, even in the 45 minute, we can clearly see that 4-hour demand zone has been respected very nicely. Okay, the whole market is respecting that movement. It came down, went up, came down again, and again it went up, and again it's trying to come down to that exactly point. Before that, it took the fair value gap support, and now it is trying to come down. Okay, so we have fair value gap as well, we have demand as well, we have everything in our control. Yeah, I just want to have one supply zone as well, so that I can see my target. Like this can be one of my supply zone. This is my 1-hour supply zone. I want to cross check it by 4 hours. In 4 hours, it doesn't look like a supply zone. Fair value gap is there, which is also getting respected. I won't deny to it. Fair value gap is being respected as the demand and this fair value gap. Maybe there will be consolidation phase starting over here. Market going down, market going down, market going down, market going down, because the fair value gap and the demand zone, they both are getting respected. After that, maybe we can see a very down push. Doesn't look like a fair value gap. No, like supply zone in 3 hours. Not in 3 hours. Not in 2 hours. 2 hours can see. Can see. 1 hour, a very clear supply zone. Very clear. Let's have it right now. We'll see later. For right now, let's just write it 1 hour demand zone. Not very sure of it. 1 hour, sorry. This is our 1 hour supply zone. I have taken from 1 hour. See, even in the other candle in the radar has become a green candle. So fair value gap is been respected. If the fair value gap is not respected, then we can go for the 4 hour demand zone. Okay. Now let's come to a little 15 minute. 30 minute is not too much to see. There's nothing too much in 30 minutes to see. Okay. Fair value gap. Fine, like from the 1 hour demand zone, the market has fallen very straightly in 15 minutes as well, and the 4 hour demand zone, the market has taken a multiple demands from there. So we are in a very right place. I don't think so we are in a wrong place right now. Let's just go in a 5 minute to see a little bigger picture of it. In 5 minutes, too many fair value gaps are created. We don't require this many fair value gaps, by the way. The supply, yeah, that's the greater supply we actually had. Like in 5 minutes, I can make it little short like this rather than having that big, but even that big was fine. Okay, and the demand zone, where is the market, bro? Okay. This whole thing is a demand zone, but I can make it a bit short as well. Like from this point to this point, I can make a demand zone. Let me just draw the line to see where it is landing. One will be here and one will be here. Let me just check it, reset the chart. Did market have taken the early demands, early demands? No. But maybe in our scenario it might happen. Might. So let's just wait for the market now. That was my analysis. Like I've given you the demand zone and what kind of movements you need to do. from the 4-hour demand zone. See, 4-hour demand zone has been respected too many times. Okay, 1, 2, and in the back as well. So I really believe, but one very specific thing I want to tell you, that not all the time the strength of the buyers were there. Okay, few times the market taken a demand, straightly went up, again came down, straightly went up, again came down. So you can clearly see that the strength of the buyer is decreasing little by little, little by little, little by little. It is getting decreasing. After that, again the market came down. Now we can see the market went up, straight up, nice demand, but again it is coming down. So there might be chances that we can expect the market to come to 4-hour demand zone. If the 4-hour demand zone is breached, trust me, we can see a complete fall down to 95, 97. Okay, that is for a long term thing. Maybe it will take 1 week, maybe it will take 1 month as well, but that is a true fact that if this demand zone is breached, because the whole market is right now at this demand zone, the all-time high created by this demand zone, everything good possible thing which happened for an uptrend happened on this one and only demand zone. If this one, the last support of the market, the last demand of the market is breached, we can see the market falling down to 97 to 95 to 96, because in between there are no demand. It was a straight up, a straight ladder like movement happened in the market. So there are no demand box created or demand created at that point. Cool. Okay, so if this demand is breached, we'll go for the short sell for a longer time. Like it will take a little time, but it will eventually reach to 97, 96, 95. Short sell. But if a very great, I won't say great, but even if the market is seeing support, not more than 2% reward ratio we'll be having over here. Let me just go for a long position. Okay, if the market comes from here, we'll take only 2%. That's all, 2%. 2% profit we will start to have, because the strength of the buyers is less. I am telling you again and again, the strength of the buyers is less. So we cannot, just a second here, from where the market falls, 2 to 3% risk reward ratio will be having. We cannot risk more than that, because the strength of the buyers is not in the market. If the strength of buyers is there in the market, then maybe we can extend it up to 5, up to 4, and this will eventually happen. In the meanwhile, maybe it will take 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, or maybe 5 or maybe 1 week. But this 5 ratio will be happening. Easy we can get. Like if I just plot it over here as well, from here we got like, let's reduce this thing. See, easy 3% up to 5, up to 9% it happened. Okay, easy. That's why I'm telling you, even though if it is not 9%, if you just hope for this, easy 3% we can get if the market comes from come to the 4-hour demand zone. Okay, so we'll be checking out these two things. If the market breached, go for short sell. We can have up to 95, 96, 97, 97, keep it as a 97, book your 50% profit and keep the rest 50% for the 94, 96. Okay. And if the demand is taken from a 4-hour demand, which there are high chances as well, but not for a very good upward price, maybe a very little. Okay. So we can have for a little, we can go up to for 2% reward risk reward ratio, or we can go for 2 to 3 is okay. Okay, and then after that we will see if it's giving us a great movement, we'll again enter, we'll again have profit. 2 to 3, 2 to 3, 2 to 3 kind of profit we'll have, because the strength of the buyers is not there in the market. So let's just see what we can do in this market right now. Juliet, da, 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 da. from the last low, if I go right now from the last low, I not this bro, fib, I need fib from the last low. If I go, this was the last low of the market. From this point, if I stretch it out to the toppest point of the market, we can clearly see that market is trying to take some support from 0.6 level. 0.6 is breached, we'll see at 0.7. If that is breached, we'll take a demand from you. The market has taken a support at 0.6. Okay, let me just bring it right here. This is where our market is right now. Getting my point? Okay, these are shit. This is the market is trying to take the support at 0.6 level, which is a good thing. Let it take. One second. La 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 la. One, two. We have a weight game now. We cannot enter in somewhere between. Okay, let's have a little weight game now. Do it like this. if the market jumps from our, if I'm saying, okay, I don't want to plot this, sorry. Yeah, if our market jumps from the demand zone, if the demand is taken, we will keep this as our target 4. We'll keep this 4 as our target, this line as a target, because that's where the market straightly fall down. So maybe there are chances that this supply buildup happened, and from there the supply happened. Okay, this is a supply buildup. Whenever you see there is a strong fall down, and if there is a consolidation phase which is making equal highs, equal lows, equal high, equal low, you can clearly see from, like, let it be right now. But there is chances right now as well that from the fair value gap the market can go down. This is a fair value gap happening. Market is trying to take a support at 0.6 level, but it is not taking that good of a strength, that good of a support. So maybe we will see. Okay, so that's the whole analysis of the market today. 0.6, 0.6, 4 hours will wait. There is no supply zone. Okay, right now I'm not booking any supply zone. My major supply zone, the strongest one, is right here. Okay, in between there are a few, but I'm not considering those because those are the small time frame supply zones. This is a 1 hour supply zones which has been respected a lot. So, and even right now our market is respecting the 0.6 level of the Fibonacci retracement. So I'll keep on having that, but there are 2 to 3 obstacles in front of him. 3 obstacles as in the 3 fair value gaps which are here. This is the fair value gaps. Okay, you are seeing the fair value gaps over here. So there are 3 fair value gaps for the market to breach. Let's say if it can breach or not. Na 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 na. Shall we play the game? I'm loving to play that game, actually. Okay, 0.6 support is working a little. We can see big candles been formed at 0.6 Fibonacci support level. So let's just watch the market, what kind of movement it gives us right now. We already have that level. This one. Back again. माय बेस्ट कमेंट फॉर टुडे. वाह किती सुंदर दिसताय तू आज मित्रा. Let's play game. Let's play game, people. I got bored. Let's play game. Game. Any changes you want me to do in the deck? It's a mega life. I don't have. Okay. Let's start the battle. Yeah, let's keep our market little aside. We'll watch our market as well. We'll watch this thing as well. All together. Let's go Valk at the back. JF. He's not even playing. Okay, fine, easy. He's not playing, guys. He's not playing. He didn't even play. Market is consolidating at 0.6. Okay, this is the consolidation phase we have to check out. After that, when it touches, if it goes up, that is fine. But if it goes down, then we have to check out the demand zone from where we will battle banner. Whatever. Wow. So many stuff happen. Yeah, but my Prince Tower is 4, bro. Upgrade other cards to increase your King Tower level. I have to upgrade cards to increase that level? Really? And okay, fine. I have a banner. I can have any of those things. Okay, what is this? I didn't know that I have to upgrade cards to play. Okay, I'll upgrade those one which I might use in the future. I will use cannon in future. There is the one very irritating deck, that is a Hog Rider deck. Bro, that deck is such an irritating. I'm just waiting for card evolution. Yeah, I know. I don't have it. One card I can have. Let's see. Canon I will be using in future, so I'm upgrading Canon. 4, 5, maybe one more. Let's go one more. This is the last upgrade. Okay, what else card I will use in future? I don't like to use this card. This is a very shitty card to use. What other card? Wizard, too overrated. I feel Wizard is too overrated card. Knight. Okay, let's separate Knight. Still no? But why is it not upgrading? Oh, 50 wild card. Let's use it for Prince Tower should be. Can I have more? Okay, fine. Let's go battle. Let me just create one path over here. Starts from here, straight up, straight down, straight down. Okay, so this is the consolidation phase which we are having. If it breaks any of this, we will try to enter in the market. Not enter, we will observe which side it is entering, because entering will be from the demand. If it breaks above, maybe we will go up for the supply like this. Till here we can have a profit, till here, small profit. What else? Arena 4, badge, anything. Elixir cost, musketeer. Musket is a favorite. No, bro. Come on. Collection says 5. 5 upgrades, more than 5. Yeah, check it. Happy. Okay, new. Bro, I am not liking that the king, like we have to find the princess cards as well. Before that there was, we don't have to find the princess cards. Now we have to find the princess card as well. It's not good, it's not good, it's not good. Okay. Tombstone, this I found. Not that great cards. Oh, minion upgrade. Okay. Let's go. Okay, we'll have goblin cage, we'll have this above, and if he arrows then we will have archers. He's not arrowing, okay, but he's doing that, so go there. I didn't have to, but fine, whatever. Okay, Musky. Wizard is good card, but overrated, very overrated. Like once you go little above, you will feel how overrated a wizard is. Okay, let's go this over here. We can handle this. We can handle the easy, very easily handle. Okay, 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 okay. We saved one hit, one hit. I didn't have to use one hit. That's all. Great. Oops. I love to tease people. I love to tease people on the game. I love it a lot. Ta 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 da da. Why? That's it. Two hits. Two hits. I'm fine. Even like I'm fine. I don't believe he has arrows and all those kind of stuffs. Oi, why, not even, shit. I hate when Mini P.E.K.K.A hits a tower, bro, because that's the most hurtful stuff. That small guy has such a strength, such a great strength he has. Small shitty guy. Archers in the back. I'll make you come little below this time. Okay. We'll have this over there, this over here, this over here. Nice. Let's go. Our market May is about time to break 0.6 is not supporting, then it will come 0.7 after that this thing. Okay, we are good to go, good to go, good to go. One, two, three. We already have this, so we'll get this. But I love this, so I'm gonna get this. Okay, so this is the Hog Rider which we will get in this. Yeah, the last one is Hog Rider. Cool. Most irritating card, bro. Most irritating card. Hog Rider is really an irritating card. Trust me, it is. Let's start battle. Musky, Hoggy. What kind of name is that? Hoggy something. Uh, me. Maybe we'll also put 1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, 3. 2 to 3 I should get. Okay. To support them. Let's just have some cycle over here. I will also have arrows. Come on. Come on. He will die eventually, so I don't have to worry about that. I will have it here, I will have it there, archer over here, and no need. Come on, it's a one way game, bro. One way win game, bro. I ain't gonna lose. I don't lose. Nice. Let's go. Play it. Okay. Let's have Valk in the back this time. Zolo, and his clan name is Sigosi, whatever. Magic, fire. You see this? Arey yaar, I throwed her to save the muskie. Wow. But why he wasted this much? I don't understand this. Why he wasted that much of. You actually wasted a lot of elixir there, which is giving me this advantage. Are? Wow. What a game, bro. Let's go. Let's see what you got, what you got, what you got, what you got, what you got. Okay, that's what you got. Oh, where is your wizard, bro? Huh. Okay, you will be using. That's it. That's it. That's it. Nothing else I'm gonna give you. This is more than enough for you. More than enough. Wrong side, please. Arey yaar, one shot, really? He didn't had to one shot him, bro. Dual, getting such confused where I'm gonna hit, what I'm gonna do. Okay, even though it is just 29, I'm still gonna prefer to hit this, and that too with just the troops, the small troops. Okay. Come on, let's go. You don't have arrow, really? Our market is still in the consolidation phase. Do not forget to check out this box as well, people. Do not forget to check out that box. We are still in the consolidation phase. Let's go, second round. Okay, still holding up. Let's go. Ah, yeah, no, yeah, shit. Little wrong mistake. Shit. Very basic mistake, bro. Very basic mistake. Basic mistake costing me this much. Wow, I like that play actually. He has everything. Level 8 cannon he has, bro. Level 8 cannon. One mistake costed me this much. One mistake. One mistake. Valk for the night. अरे यार, I hate wizard. This side, this. Fast, bro. It's 7 level. Fast. Okay. Why it has to be 1-8? Good. Keep hitting. 1, 2, 3. He's surely gonna throw P.E.K.K.A from here. Somewhere. Very nearby P.E.K.K.A is coming. No P.E.K.K.A. Okay. This is doing it here. See, I knew P.E.K.K.A would come. P.E.K.K.A, come here. Come to this side. Okay, everything handled very great. Wrong side. I picked the wrong side. Okay. Done. That is enough. For me, that is enough. More than enough. Okay, let's go with this. Archers to support back. Let be. We'll have another round. Nikita. Got it. Mutlu. What the fuck name was that? Mutlu. Who names himself Mutlu? Yabzu 57. Okay, it's coming from very back. I'll go for the opposite lane thing. If he adds the wizard in the back, I'm fucked. If he adds wizard in the back. Yeah, there's the wizard. Okay, start fighting. Fast. Yes, good. We still are open. Yes, Inferno Tower. Really, nigga. Nice. Musky on the back. No one can touch my tower now. One hit. One hit is fine. His two towers are going, my one tower is going. That is fine. And gone. Let's cry. One tower gone. Okay. Oh, he has giant plus this. Really? Nigga? Can't. I don't want to. I kept my patience. I don't want to. Valk. What is this? Just one fireball. Kills everything. One fireball. Kills everything. One fireball can nuke everything. Okay. Arrow. Oops. Well. Oh, I'm off. I'm back again. Should we have bad? Should we have zap? Should we have bad? I'll have bad. Zap, I'm not in need of it. Right now, I'm not in need of zap. Arey yaar. Did it locked himself? Yeah, they locked. Wow. Fine. Great. Opposite lane pressure should be dealt with, I guess, right now. Have patience. सबका बदला लेगी एक साथ लेगी should not attack like that. I should come with my whole team. Wow, extra spend deserves extra marks. Okay. Early damage win. It's fine. Yeah. Yeah. Ronaldo. Let's sue Ronaldo. Let's sue on Ronaldo. Everything. Let's do everything on the Ronaldo. Like, okay, cycle. I need a cycle. This is the thing which I have to put. Wait. Okay. Add musky. Oh, I'm not enough of the elixir. Musky, be safe, Musky. Musky, bro. Let's add something. Okay, he will think that I will add it to that, but I will add it to this. Mind game! Anything. Anything, he has nothing. But we have this for this. Fast. Kill this guy. Okay. We are still good. I don't need anything for that. Just one. Let's have this cycle. Woo! Save. Sacrificed those stuffs, but it's fine. ओ ये खेल मैंने खेला. Okay. Evolution. Wait. I have. I don't have. Okay. Still on, bro. Still on. I'm still on. Oh, I'm not. What? Magic. No. Let's go. Last two game, boys and girls. Sorry, I forget that most of the people commenting is girls, bro. No hard feeling. Showtime! Musky in the back. This over here and this over here. Okay. And this over here. Sorry bro. But ये करना पड़ा. Let's go. We are still alive, still alive, still alive, still alive, still alive, alive. Be here. Don't go tower. No tower. No tower for you. Cycle, but at least I'm having this. Okay, this is fine over here. I'll go on the left hand side. Everyone focusing there. Oh, you got that. Let's have another cycle. Let's have this over here. Let's have that over there. Okay. And GG bro. Okay, one last game and then we'll be going. Our market has not made any move till now. Let's see, let's wait. We will continue the same thing by 5 to 7 because I will come back again by 5 to 7. Okay people, cool. Last game, let's say last game. Heavy investment. Good decision. Good decision. Magic. Bro, for magic I don't have anything other than arrows. I will get very small time. Nice. Yeah, do something. Do it will again go. I have to sacrifice my Valks for this. I knew it. Okay. Tough situation being made over here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, nice game. Let's delete this right now. Okay, see, I'm leaving right now, but I'm going to tell you some few things which you should look for. Look for this box. If you are not in the 5-minute, plot the fib retracement from the last lowest point to the top of our all-time high. After that, you will see one thing, that right now the market is consolidating at the range of 0.618, which is considered as the golden range where the market can take a support. But just above that, you can clearly see there are multiple fair value gaps for the red side. Red side means from that market can touch and go down. But eventually, like right now, we are having consolidation because there is a decision time going on. So draw one square around this consolidation, wait for it to break either up or either out, or either down or up. We wait for it. If it's breaking down, do not enter. Enter at the point where it touches the 4 hours supply zone, which is our last strong demand zone. After that, when it markets to come to this point, then we can go for until this will be our target. Like from here, we can put this high as a top, as our target. From this moment to that, we can keep our target. Okay, but if it's breaking above, and we want to have, still we will keep this our first target, and second major supply target will be here. Okay, these are the two, because there are two fair value gaps over there. There is a less chances of market to go till this point, but if it breaks above, we will keep this our target. Cool, but wait for this consolidation. Okay, do not extend your consolidation, wait for this consolidation. I will just I will just make this here. Just wait for this box to break out. Okay, so I'll see you 5 to 7. Please make sure that you are coming back here again by 5 to 7. We will do another analysis of the market and we will check out what is happening more. Okay, cool. Till that time, bye bye. This is Yash Pawar and I'm going out now. My live stream timing has ended. I'll come back to you in 2 hours.